Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostwick. We're taking a look at radar right now over the northern parts of our coverage area, and we can see that there's a few showers and storms that have developed over the past few hours, and they're mostly just scattered showers and storms, although there's some stronger ones up in way northeast Texas, but we're not worried about those at the moment. And these showers and storms will continue off and on for the next few hours until we get towards sunset, and they should start to die off then. Current temperatures we're looking at in the low 90s in most areas, mid 80s out to our east, like Leesville is right now 84, 84 in Jasper as well, but then we get out to our west and then spring is 95, so you never know, you can run into some pockets of heat and some pockets of cool air just depending on where you are at the moment. Satellite and radar over the past 3 hours shows mostly that the majority of showers and storms have been to our north, so mainly over towards the Tyler region and over to the east towards Jackson. Nothing too crazy happening over southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana though for today, except for parts of Tyler County right now where they're having some showers and storms. Futurecast over the next few hours shows that towards morning, everything should be pretty much died out. There might be 1 or 2 showers out in the Gulf. And then as we get into the afternoon, that's when we really start to notice that activity picks up. If you notice that there's some showers and storms up in the Lakes region around Toledo Bend and Sam Rayburn, and this is at 4 o'clock. So we're looking at a pretty good amount of coverage of storms coming through then. And as we get towards 7 o'clock, all those showers and storms are moving back down towards the coast. So we are expecting a pretty good line of showers and thunderstorms to develop. Could have some gusty winds in association with it and also lots of lightning. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that for you. And then after this line moves through, it should be quiet going into Sunday morning. So we're not expecting a ton, although there could be a couple showers that redevelop right around daybreak. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. Upper level flow supports that we should have a cold front actually move through on Sunday, Saturday into Sunday, roughly time frame. And then as we get into Tuesday, the flow still stays northerly in general. So we should not expect any type of real heat anytime soon because that high pressure ridge is still to our west. Our forecast does show that that cold front does get really close to us and kind of stalls over the region, which is going to lead to a few chances of rain over the weekend. Looks pretty good for tomorrow, and then Sunday there's a decent chance of showers and storms as well. Lows tonight are going to be in the low to mid 70s, around 80 at the beach. Tomorrow's high are going to be around 90 degrees for most regions. Most areas should be around 90, maybe a little bit warmer out to our west, but nothing too crazy, just about where we'd expect for highs to be a little bit cooler than normal actually right now. In our 7-day outlook, it shows that we have about a 90 for the high or so roughly tomorrow, and then Sunday we have a chance of storms. Monday a little bit higher, and then we dry out for the rest of the week a little bit. But look at that, our highs are staying below average. Normal highs 94 right now for early August, and look at that, the highest I'm seeing right now is 93 on Friday, so looking a bit cooler than average. Same for Southwest Louisiana. Normal high is 93, looking like highs only in the low 90s coming up for this upcoming week with some showers and thunderstorms for chances coming up. Make sure that you follow our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@GulfCoastWX, and check out our Facebook page for frequent updates. Shoutouts to Neutron Electrical Services on this sponsorship for this particular side, and all of the rest of our sponsors for this video. Thank you and have a good evening, everyone.